Welcome back. Let's see how we can create a project. Log in or register at first, and then create project using Create Project button on top. You'll have the option to enter your project name and description, along with selecting or creating your own organization if you don't already have one. Once completed, simply proceed to the next step. In the next step, you can choose the framework you'd like to use for your project. Internally, the project will follow this framework consistently across all stages, including export. You'll also have the option to select an existing template or start fresh with a blank setup. After that, define your project's folder structure. That's it. You're done. Your project will be created and ready to go.